Dye gray hair with coffee? Method 1. Dipping your hair in coffee. Brew 1 to 2 pots of strong, dark coffee. After placing a fresh filter in your coffee machine, scoop your coffee grounds from the coffee container and into the filter. Fill the machine with water and follow the machine's instructions on how to brew a pot of coffee. If you don't have a coffee machine, you can make coffee by boiling water and then adding the coffee to the water. 2 to 3 tablespoons, 30 to 44 milliliters, are used to make 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of coffee. Use your favorite brand of dark coffee to dye your hair. Let the coffee sit for 15 minutes in a large bowl or basin. Allow the coffee to cool down so that you don't burn yourself when dipping your hair in the coffee. Once it has cooled, pour the coffee into a bowl, basin, or pot large enough for you to fit your head in so the coffee will reach your roots. Set a timer for 15 minutes to let the coffee cool down before you start using it. Once you've dipped your hair, stay in that position for at least 3 minutes to let the coffee color absorb. Know that dipping brown or black hair in coffee to fix gray roots may make the rest of your hair slightly darker, while dipping blonde hair into coffee to fix gray roots will have a more drastic result. Wrap a towel around your neck and wear an old t-shirt in case you get coffee on yourself. If you're only dyeing certain sections of your hair, clip back the other sections using hair clips or hair ties so they don't get in the coffee. Rinse the coffee out using cool running water. Slowly lift your head out of the coffee. If your hair is long, twist it up on top of your head to keep it from dripping everywhere. Rinse the coffee out of your hair, massaging your hair under cool water to be sure you get all of the coffee out. Once the water runs clear, you're finished rinsing. Repeat this process to make your hair darker each time. If your gray hairs aren't as dark as you'd like them after the first soaking, repeat each step to soak your hair in the coffee again. The more soakings you do, the darker your gray hairs will become. Method 2. Creating a coffee conditioner. Combine 2 packets of instant coffee with 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of conditioner. It's okay if your measurements aren't precise, as the coffee conditioner recipe is very flexible. Pour the coffee and conditioner into a bowl. If you don't have instant coffee packets, use 3 to 4 tablespoons, 44 to 59 milliliters, of coffee grounds instead. Mix them together so the coffee is distributed evenly. Use a spoon to mix the coffee grounds and conditioner together. Stir until the coffee is evenly distributed in the conditioner and the conditioner has turned a brown color. Don't worry if the coffee grounds are visible spots in the conditioner. Wrap a towel around your shoulders to keep your clothing stain-free. Cover the gray hairs with the conditioner using a dye application brush. Let the conditioner sit in your hair for 1 hour. Rinse the conditioner out using cold water. Repeat this process several times to tint your grays darker. Method 3. Pour 0.25 cups, 59 milliliters, of henna powder into a bowl. Add warm black coffee to the henna in small amounts. Stir the henna and coffee mixture until there aren't any lumps left. Cover the mixture with plastic wrap to let it set for 4 to 6 hours. Apply the mixture to your gray hair using your fingers or a dye brush. Cover your hair with a shower cap to let it sit for 6 hours. Rinse the coffee and henna out of your hair before shampooing.